Guys, on this video I'm going to show you how you can make $200 plus by completing a very simple task online. So just keep on watching, let me show you how. So as you can see on my computer screen here, this is the website that you can use to make $200 plus by completing a very simple task. The name of the website is Grabpoint. This website allows you to take surveys, you get paid. Downloading applications, you get paid. Taking surveys, like I'm saying, you get paid. Watching videos, you get paid. Completing a very simple task, you get paid. So as you can see on the screen here, everything on this website is legit. What is important here is that you need to follow the step-by-step guide of what I'm going to show you here. So the first thing you need to do, you need to register on this website. So to register, you can use the link in the description, or you can go to the website of Grabpoint and register your own account. So to register your own account is very simple. Either you can register with your Gmail account or with your Facebook account, as you can see on the screen here. What you just need to register is with your email account and password. You are good to go. So once you have enter your email and password, they will send you an email. You need to click on the verification link and your account is going to be verified. Enter your paper account or other gift card that you want to be using to receive your money. So as you can see on the screen here, the first thing you need to do is to enter your email, password, and you click on create account. You are good to go. And once you have registered everything that you need to do on this registration area, then you just need to log into your own account and start taking surveys and getting paid. You can take surveys from like 1 minute to 10 minutes, and you can make from 1 cent to $10 per each task that you complete on this platform. So I don't want to talk too much. I will log into my own account and show you around this website that will allow you to take surveys and get paid by doing this. At the end of this video, I will still let you know if this website is one of the easy ways that you can use to make a lot of money online or not. So let me log into my own account now. So as you can see, guys, my own account have opened on the screen here. The first thing you will see is all these old surveys that you can see on the screen here. So you can see different type of surveys that you can complete and get paid. You can see the survey, the time you are going to spend on the survey, and the amount of money you are going to earn. So you can see this survey, which is these 12-minute surveys. You can see that you are going to earn 28 cents, which is 315 points. And if you see this survey, which is 12 minutes, you are going to earn 21 cents. And you are going to spend 12 minutes of your time. You are going to earn 21 cents by just completing this task. So if you scroll down, you can see this survey, which will last 10 minutes, and they are paying you $1. I know you'll be wondering, how come the survey of 12 minutes is paying me 20 cents and the survey of 10 minutes is paying me $10? So how is it legit? So what is happening here is that they are not all company. A lot of companies are coming to this website, which is called Grabpoint. They come here, create their task that they want people to give idea of what they want us to give. No, we have to give them feedback about what we think about their product or service or a particular question that they are asking us. And in return, they are going to take all those our questions, go and do their research. So it's not just one company that is coming to this platform to take all those information. There's a lot of company that is coming to this platform, which is called Grabpoint, to take all those tasks that we are completing as a user, and they are going to use it to go and do their research. So that is how it works. So that is to tell you that those companies that pays 20 cents are not the same with other companies that pays $1. So if you scroll down, you are going to see that the price will increase. You can see this one is about $2 for 8-minute question. You can see you can complete this task, which is 8 minutes, and you can see $1.93 and is 2,100 points that you will get. That is one thing that I want to let you know here. So if you want to complete any task, it's very, very simple. All you just need to do is to click on the task, And once you click on it, it's going to take you to a page like this. They are going to ask you a very simple question to see if you qualify. Once you qualify, they are going to allow you now to complete the task. So what you need to do is to click on continue, and here you are going to enter if you speak English or French. You can just tick the language that you speak. You click on next. Here you are going to choose your category of the type of task that you want to complete, and you click on continue, and here they are going to ask you the same question again. Either you choose this and you scroll down here, you choose that. Just choose anything that you want. They are just asking you a very simple question. All you just need to do is to read what they ask you, pay attention to what they are asking you, and click on continue. And they are going to still keep on continue asking you this question until they tell you that you are qualified for this task. And once you are qualified, they are going to give you a successful page and tell you that you should click on next so that you can go and complete this task. When I click on finish here, you can see they have allowed me now to come to this tab here. All I need to do is to choose any task from this window that you can see, complete it, and any one that I complete, I'm going to earn point. So that is how it works. Once you earn the point will be deposited into your Grabpoint account here, and you can cash it out once you hit the threshold, which is the payout amount. So that is the type of task that you can complete on this platform. So time to time, Grabpoint is going to be updating this platform, adding more features of ways that you can use to earn money online. So with this website, which is called Grabpoint. So once you click here, you can select it by rate, future, and fast way that you can use to earn money by completing a very simple task, which is taking surveys and getting paid. So that is one thing that I want to let you know about this website that allows you to complete a very simple task and you earn money in return by doing this. So let us say you have done a lot of tasks and you have hit the minimum amount of cashing out. So to cash out your money, what you need to do is to click on this area where it said reward. So once you click on reward, it's going to bring you to this window here. So once it brings you here, you are going to see the different methods that you can use to cash out your money: PayPal, Visa, Gold. You can see Amazon, Free Fire, Apple, Google Play, and a lot of other ways that you can use to cash out your money once you hit the minimum amount of cashing out your money. So let us say I click on PayPal, and you can see that you can cash out about $200 plus on this program. You can see PayPal cash out. If you have 210,000 points plus on your own account, you can be eligible to cash out your points into your PayPal account and use it to do whatsoever you want. So you can see now that you can receive your money if you are able to hit the point threshold to cash out the money that you want on this platform. So how you can do this is by taking multiple surveys, and you are going to be in that amount. So what are other ways that you can use to earn money with this program? You can earn money by referring people. So if I click here and I click on referral here, you can see that you can earn points by referring people to this program. What you need to do is to just give your link to your friends. Anytime they sign up on this program, you are the one that is going to be making money from them. What is good is that you are going to be making lifetime earning as long as they are using this program, which is called Grabpoint. So that is how you can make money with this website, which is called Grabpoint. You already know everything that you need to know, so you can cash out your money once you hit the minimum amount of cashing out, which is, if you have about like 3,000 points, you can cash the 3,000 points out, which is about equivalent to $3. So that is what I want to let you know on this video. So you can start using this website, which is called Grabpoint, to make free money online. You are not doing any difficult job here. All you just need to do is to have your smartphone, and with your smartphone you can do everything just by following a simple step-by-step guide, taking surveys, and you are going to get paid. There is a website that is going to allow you even to complete tasks by watching videos. You can make money in that way too. So it's on you now to decide if you want to go and try this website out, and you have to let me know what you think in the comment section. So I have to be honest, this website is not the best way that you can use to make money online. So it's just a way that you can use to earn extra cash. So it's not going to make you to become rich. You can even see on the screen here, we are going to do a lot of tasks to be able to make a lot of money with this program, because they are not paying a lot of money. So that is what I think. So it's not a good way that you can use to make a lot of money. But if you want to earn extra cash, for you to just be watching Facebook, TikTok videos, you just come here and take all those tasks, spend all those your free time on this platform, use it to earn extra cash. And at the end of the month, you will see that you can make about $200 or $100 by just completing a very simple task. So it's on you now to go and decide if you want to start using this platform or not. So that is everything I want to let you know on this video, guys. Go and try it out and start making about $200 plus on this website, which is called Grabpoint. If you want to make real money, like a lot of money by completing a very simple task, you need to go and watch this video where I show step-by-step guide about how you can make money with affiliate program. I will see you guys on my next upcoming video. See you soon.